Okay, hope all of you can hear me. Okay, just show a thumbs up. Please do not unmute unless the question is asked to you all. Okay. Page number 62. Okay, we'll just revise what we did. We'll just recall the lesson that we did before the school closed for the vacation. Okay, we read the lesson about flowers in the sky, right? We read about a small girl. What was the girl's name? Girl's name was? Urvi. Yes, very good, Kushal. Okay, the girl's name was Urvi. Okay, and she... Urvi, ma'am. Yes, her name is Urvi. Okay, and she had a garden. So in her garden, what are the plants that she had? What are the flowers that she had in her garden? She had white jasmine. Jasmine and rose. Red rose. Sunflower. Jasmine. Marigold. Yes, very good. Okay, so she had white jasmine, red roses, and an orange marigold. Okay, so one day when she went to her garden, what did she see? She noticed that all these flowers were feeling very sad, right? So why were they feeling sad? Because they said that once they fade and they go, people will not remember them, right? So what does Urvi tell? Urvi says, don't worry, I will speak to my friends and see what I can do. So who are her friends that she contacted? She spoke to her friends, that is rain and the sun. Okay, so what did they do? They came up with a plan and they said, once these flowers fade, we'll do one thing. We will take them high up in the sky and we will show them colorful. What was that colorful thing that they were going to show? It was the rainbow, ma'am. Yes, very good. Okay, take your English readers, ma. Okay, English reader. We are just recalling what we read in our previous class. Okay. Now, how many colors are there in the rainbow? 7, ma'am. Very good. There are 7 colors, ma'am. Yes, very good. There are 7 colors. What are they? 7, ma'am. Yellow. You have violet. Yellow, red, green, orange, violet, ma'am. Light blue, green, purple, violet, ma'am. What's the color? You have to learn the colors. Light green, dark green, black, orange. Okay, very good. Okay, muted everyone. You will not be able to unmute yourself. Okay, now just listen. Rainbow has only 7 colors. They do not have light green, dark green, no. Okay, you have to learn the colors in order. What are they? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Okay, these are the 7 colors that you find in the rainbow. Okay, so when does a rainbow appear in the sky? When the sun and the rain meet together, that is when a rainbow is formed. Okay. Now for this lesson, I will not be giving you notes in your classwork. Instead, we will write the answers in your textbook itself. Okay. Even for your test and your exam, you will be learning the notes given in your textbook only. Okay. For this lesson, for the lesson Flowers in the Sky. Okay. Now let us move ahead and start writing the answers. Take your pencils and be ready. Okay, now page number 63. Page number 63. Read the questions and fill in the blanks with the correct word from the box. Okay, first one. Who is the girl in the story? Dash is the girl in the story. Who is the girl? Very good. Yes, now in this dash here, you will write capital U, R, V, I. Urvi. Kavita, hope you're writing. Okay, write down. The first answer in the blank here, you have to write Urvi. Urvi is the girl in the lesson. Okay, capital U-R-V-I, Urvi.
Ma'am, which page, ma'am?
Page number 63, Daivik. Okay, page number 63, the first answer. You have to just write Urvi, capital U-R-V-I.
One is flower, ma'am.
Yes, everyone is finished with the first one. Okay, now second question. What filled Urvi's garden? Was it made of flowers? Very good. Yes, write down. And capital F.
Capital
F L O W E R. Flowers filled Urvi's garden.
Mummy, E-R-S, E-W-E-R.
Capital F L O W E R S. Flowers. Okay. Now in your textbook, you're just writing one word, but remember for your test or exam, you will only be given the question. So when you're learning, make sure you learn the full sentence. Okay, you have to learn the full sentence. Now turn your book.
What's the second spelling, ma'am?
Second one is flowers. Capital F. Capital F.
Okay.
L O W E R S. Flowers.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Turn your book to the next page, page number 64. Okay, page number 64. Third question. What would the flowers do? Would they sing, jump, nod? Very good. Yes, nod and dance. Okay, now write down in the blank here, write down N-O-D, nod. Small n, okay? N-O-D, nod. Please write down A-N-D and A-N-D and D-A-N-C-E, dance. D-A-N-C-E, dance. The flowers would nod and dance. Yes?
What is the player not dancing, ma'am?
Nod is N-O-D, nod. Write down N-O-D, nod. Leave a finger space. Write down A-N-D and
D-A-N-C.
leave a finger space. Write down D-A-N-C-E, dance. Dance.
Fourth one.
Okay, next fourth question. What would happen to the flowers after some time? Would they burn after some time? Yes, what would happen to the flowers?
Become dry, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Okay, now write down the answer. The flowers.
What is dance spelling, ma'am?
Dance is D-A-N-C-E. D-A-N-C-E, dance. Okay, now the fourth answer, fade away. Write down F-A-D-E, fade. F-A-D-E, fade. Leave a finger space, write down A-W-A-Y, away, and then put a full stop. F-A-D-E, fade.
Ma'am, what is dance spelling, ma'am?
D-A-N-C-E.
D-A-N-C-E.
Okay, put a full stop after dance. Okay.
D-A-N-C, dance.
Okay, D-A-N-C-E, dance. Then put a full stop. Then write down the fourth answer, fade away. The flowers would fade away. F-A-D-E, fade. F-A-D-E, fade. Away. A-W-A-Y, away. A-W-A-Y. Okay, next one. Where did the sun and rain plan to take the flowers? The sun and the rain plan to take the flowers. Is it
The rainbow in the sky, ma'am. Up in the sky, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Write down the answer. TO2. Please write small letter. You're continuing the sentence. TO2. T-H-E. T-H-E. The rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Rainbow. I-N-T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The.
What is the rainbow spelling?
Rainbow is R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Rainbow. I-N-N. The. T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The. S-A-Y. Sky. S-A-Y. And then put a full stop. Okay. So the rainbow in the sky. The sun and the rain plan to take the flowers to the rainbow in the sky. All of you have finished writing all the 5 answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Anyone who's still writing?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I erase the board, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we move to the next one. Fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks using the words from the box. I'll read the words from the box first. Fade, rainbow, jasper, roses, marigolds, dance, and nod. Okay, from we need to select the words from this box here. Flowers fade in the hot sun. Okay, so you will just underline the word fade. This is a blank.
Rose, ma'am. Rose, ma'am.
Okay, you need to underline fade over here. The first sentence they've not underlined, they've only written the word fade in italics. Please underline the word fade. Okay, because in your test you will get even this sentence also. So you should know which is the word that you have to write. Okay, now second one, dash are red. Which flower is red?
Jasmine.
Which flower is red? Rose
Rose.
Second one,
Rose.
capital R-O-S-E-S. Roses. Capital R. Capital R-O-S-E-S. Roses.
R-O-S-E-S.
Okay.
Ma'am, I must to write roses.
You should write in the blank here, ma. The first blank. Okay? The first one they've already written straight here.
R-O-S.
Capital R-O-S-E. Okay, next third one.
Marigold.
Dash are white and fragrant. Which flower is white in color? White and fragrant.
Lily, ma'am. Lily. Ma'am, Lily. Lily. Jasmine. Lily, ma'am.
Yes.
Jasmine. Jasmine, ma'am.
Write the answer. J-A-S.
Capital.
S-M-I-N-E. Jasmine. Capital J-A-S-M-I-N-E. Jasmine.
Marigold, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Next, fourth one. Dash are orange colored flowers. Which flower is orange?
Marigold, ma'am. Marigold.
On M. Capital M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D. Capital M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D.
Rose the red.
Okay. Capital M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D.
Fifth one is rainbow, ma'am.
Very good. The dash is colorful. The rainbow is colorful. Write down. For this, you begin with a small letter. R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W. The rainbow is colorful. R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Okay. Now next sixth one, we say that plants dash when they shake in the breeze. What do you all say? They dance and nod. Yes, they dance and nod. Okay, the sixth one, write down. D-A-N-C-E. Dance. You will not have space. Please write it above. Okay. On top of the dash, you write. Otherwise, you will not have space for all the three words. Dance. A-N-D and N-O-D. Nod. D-A-N-C-E. Dance. D-A-N-C-E. Dance. A-N-D and N-O-D. Nod. N-O-D. Yes, Pratusha? Tell me, ma.
What is six question? And what is six answer?
Sixth answer
What is six answer?
dance and nod. Okay. D-A-N-C-E. Dance. D-A-N-C-E. Dance.
Not
And A-N-D and And.
And.
Nod. Okay, dance and nod. Okay, now turn your book to the next page. All of you have written all this. Has everyone written in your book?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I erase the board? Shall I erase the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Now
ma'am.
the next page. Okay, turn your book to the next page. Page number 65. Ajit is Urvi's friend. What is Ajit's mood? Look at the faces given below. Pick the right word from the box and write it below the face. Okay, you can see the box given here. The yellow box. You have happy, tired, worried, laughing, sleepy, sad, excited.
Ma'am, happy and sleep, ma'am. Happy and sleep, ma'am.
Okay, now we will see one face at a time. Okay, the first face, how does the face look? The face looks happy.
Happy,
Yes.
ma'am.
Right now in the dash, write down happy.
Happy, ma'am.
Yeah.
Happy, ma'am.
And the dash.
Write down
Where is it? Yeah.
Happy. Happy.
Sleep, ma'am.
Okay, now second one. What is the boy doing there? Second picture.
Sleeping, ma'am.
He is
Happy.
laughing.
Happy.
Write down LAUGHING. Laughing. LAUGH.
Ma'am, up only, ma'am.
Yes. Stop. We'll first finish these four and then come to the below picture. Okay. So the second picture here, the boy is laughing. LAUGH. ING. Laughing. Okay. Next one, third picture. What is his expression here? The boy is
Sad. Sad, ma'am.
yes, write down SAD. Sad.
Sad.
Yes.
S-A-D.
D. SAD. Sad.
Sad.
Yes. Okay. Third one. What is the boy doing here? Third picture. What does it show?
Thinking, ma'am. Thinking, ma'am.
But you don't have what thinking here. He is
Worried, ma'am. Thinking, ma'am.
Worried.
Ma'am.
Worried, ma'am. You don't have the option of thinking here. Worried. Write down WORRIED. 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 Okay. WORRIED. Worried. Okay. Next one below. Now we'll come to the next four pictures here. What is the boy doing here?
Sleepy, ma'am.
Sleepy. Yes.
Sleepy, ma'am.
Fine. Sleepy.
Second one. Next lesson, sleeping.
SLEEPY. Sleepy. Okay. Now next picture. How is the boy here? What is his expression? He is angry. Write down ANGRY. Angry. A-N. Yes,
Third one,
Rakshit.
what? Don't auntie.
Which
Ma'am,
one?
ma'am. Third, ma'am.
Third one is sad. S-A-D, sad. Okay. Now the sixth picture is angry. The next one.
Excited, ma'am.
Very good.
Excited, ma'am.
I.
Ma'am, finished, ma'am.
Very good, Andy. Very good, ma. Okay. E-X-C-I-T-E-D. Excited.
Tired.
Very good. The last picture, the boy is tired. Write down T-I-R-E-D. Tired. T-I-R-E-D. Tired.
Third one, ma'am.
Excited. E-X-C-I-T-E-D. Excited. E-X-C-I-T-E-D. Excited. And the last one is tired. T-I-R-E-D. Tired. Okay. All of you have finished this. Anyone who's still writing? Yes, very good. Charvi is done.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, finished, ma'am.
Shall I erase the book? Shall I erase?
Finished.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next one.
Nikhil finished, ma'am.
Very good, Nikhil. Okay. Now next one, third one. Give the opposites of. Okay. First one is sad. What is the opposite of sad?
Happy, ma'am.
Good. Right.
Happy,
Yes. Sad. You will write happy. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. Write down. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. Second one, forget. What is the opposite of forget?
remember.
Very good. Yes, it is remember. Right?
Remember, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, write down.
Got thinking.
R-E-M-E-M.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Remember.
Remind.
R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R.
I finished, ma'am.
Remember. Very good.
I
sir.
finished.
Yes, very good. Okay, next third one. The word is fade. Before it faded, it was
Glow, ma'am. Glow.
opposite of fade. Right?
Glow, ma'am.
I
Glow. Sign, ma'am.
write down B-R-I-G-H-T. Bright. Opposite of fade, write down bright.
What, ma'am?
B-R-I-G-H-T.
Right, ma'am. Second one is what, ma'am?
Remember. R-E. After happy, it is remember. R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R. Remember. Okay. R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R. Remember. Third one, opposite fade is bright. B-R-I-G-H-T. Bright. Okay, next fourth one. What is the opposite of bet?
Unmute लगी है.
Good. Drive. Yes, right now. D-R-Y. Drive.
Right. Like
Write down D-R-Y. Drive. Okay, next one. Cold. Opposite.
Hot, ma'am.
Very is hot. Write down H-O-T. Hot.
H-O-T.
Hot.
Yeah. H-O-T. Hot.
Hot. Okay, next one. Opposite of good is
Bad, ma'am.
bad. Write down B-A.
Gold.
Bad.
I'm gold.
For cold, it is hot. Opposite of cold is hot. Okay. And then opposite of good is bad. B-A-D. Bad. Okay, next one.
Dislike, ma'am. Dislike.
Opposite of like is dislike. Okay, you can say D-I-S-L-I-K-E. Dislike. You like something, you don't like something, right? So you dislike something. So you say dislike. D-I-S-L-I-K-E. D-I-S-L-I-K-E. Okay, now next one, last one. Opposite of love is
Hate.
very good. H-A-T-E.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me, Pratusha.
Excuse me, ma'am. What is like and what is
Dislike.
like? Dislike spelling, ma'am.
D-I-S.
Spelling, ma'am.
D-I-S-L-I-K-E. Dislike.
K-E, dislike. Thanks you, ma'am.
Welcome. Okay, next, the last one is love. Opposite of love is hate. H-A-T-E. Hate. All of you have finished this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Did you all understand what we wrote in the class today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.